Okay, let's take this makeup from a daytime look to a nighttime look. I've really been loving the Sunkissed look that I get with this 3-pack by Nudestix. So I am wearing the bronzer, the eyeshadow, and the blush for that. So it's not a no makeup look, but it's not a super heavy look. My husband and I are gonna go out for dinner tonight. Nothing fancy, but I want to kick it up just a notch for a nighttime makeup look. There's a few ways that I'm going to do that are really quick and easy. It's been a minute since I used these, but I was absolutely obsessed with them when I first got them. It is the Brilliant Eyes by L'Oreal. This one is in the shade Ombre à Pop something. It's in French, but you can see the color there. So the first step, I'm just going to line the bottom part of my lid right above my eyelashes. So right here. Look at how just that one step really makes my eyes pop, and I love this color. So quick and easy. And it's L'Oreal. I got it at the drugstore. It's really affordable. But I'm going to take it a little bit further, and I'm now going to kick up my cheeks a bit with some highlighter. You know I love my Haus Labs, and I think with this color eyeliner, the Fire Opal is perfect for taking my daytime makeup to nighttime makeup. And a night out wouldn't be complete without a little wine, right? No, just kidding. I personally don't like wine, but I don't mind wearing it on my lips. This is actually a lip stain. How cute is that? So let's pop that on. This is the first time I'm using this shade. I really like it. I think it goes really, really well with the Fire Opal and the eyeliner. What do you guys think? Now, one of my favorite anti-aging tricks, taking a nude eyeliner and putting it on my bottom waterline. And just a touch right in the corner as well. And look how much bigger my eyes look with that. And now to finish it off, I'm going to take my City Beauty Lip Plumping in the clear gloss because this color is stunning and I want to keep it. And there you go. That's how easy it is to take your daytime makeup to nighttime makeup. Also, this guy, these lip stains, this is not going anywhere. Long after everything else has kind of faded away, this will still be on my lips.